Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you LinkedIn Learning how to download courses for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download LinkedIn Learning courses for offline viewing, you can use LinkedIn Learning. What you need to do is first head over and open up your LinkedIn Learning app. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is browse or search for the course you wish to download. Then tap on the download icon located below the course title, and then a pop-up will appear asking you to download. And then if you prefer to download specific videos, navigate to the course, then tap on the contents beneath the video player, then tap download icon next to the video you want to download. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.